All of you will keep right now.
Hello everyone, my name is Swastika Giri and I am a student of Little Star Senior Secondary School. I feel very proud to share that I scored the 5th position in the Meghalaya board with 88 percentile and 99 marks in sociology in my HSSLC examination. This achievement is not just mine. It is the result of the constant support and guidance of my teachers. Because of their efforts, I have been able to move forward and reach in this point. Through my journey, I have learned some important lessons, and the first was that अगर हम consistently hard work करते रहेंगे with dedication और focus के साथ तो हम ज़रूर सक्सेस होंगे. No matter कितने भी प्रॉब्लम आए, कितने भी डिफ़िकल्टीज लाइफ में आए, कभी हेल्थ इश्यूज़ होते हैं, कभी फैमिली में चैलेंजेस आते हैं, बट हमें हमेशा अपने मन में हिम्मत रख के आगे बढ़ना है और हमेशा होप रखना है कि एक दिन ज़रूर आएगा जब हम सक्सेस होंगे.
If I tell to frankly, no, we don't have a number of students because we are in a border. Most of the students, they want to go in Assam only. So we have only 8 students. Only 8 students, and we feel very sad. So these 8 students, what can we do? But they are also disheartened. Only 8 students is there. But we counseling them, we make to understand how many you can do. So we are behind you, and we work hard. I think in that moment we feel very happy because very less student, even they are the student also, they are working hard.